So his friend is also standing along with him. He too is standing in the rain. I'm sure even you love to play in the rain. We can draw one girl who's jumping in a puddle of water. So this is some water. So this is the puddle and this girl is jumping in the puddle of water. She's really very happy. So these are some different poses and we have drawn a rainy day scenery, but it is still incomplete. So we need to draw a ground. So this line, now they look as though they are standing on the ground and it is raining, so there is water. These children have come out to play in the rain and it is raining. So you can show some small strokes. With your pencil. There, our rainy day scenery is ready. You can color the scenery with oil pastels.